In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the formula bar in Excel. The formula bar is the long field near the top of Excel that shows what's inside the cell you've selected. It's where you can see and edit numbers, text, and especially longer formulas without crowding your worksheet. Sometimes you'll want it visible for clear editing, and other times you might hide it to maximize space or keep a clean view while presenting. Let's walk through the simple toggle you'll use whenever you need it. Start by going to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. The ribbon is the strip of commands across the top of the window, and the View tab focuses on how your worksheet is displayed. Clicking it reveals options that control what you see on screen, including grid lines, headings, and the formula bar itself. Within the View tab, find the section labeled Show. In this section, you'll see a checkbox named Formula Bar. To hide the formula bar, simply remove the check from that box. The moment you uncheck it, the formula bar disappears from the top of your worksheet, giving you a bit more vertical space for rows. This can be helpful on smaller screens or when you're focusing on data entry and don't need the extra editing area. Don't worry, hiding it doesn't delete anything. Your data and formulas remain intact, and you can still type directly into cells if you prefer editing that way. When you want the formula bar back, return to the same spot. With the View tab open and the Show section in sight, click the formula bar checkbox again. As soon as it's checked, the formula bar reappears, ready to display and edit the contents of the active cell. This toggle is immediate, so you can switch it on and off at any time, even while you're working on a formula. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If your Excel window is narrow, the Show section might compress, but the formula bar option will still be there. On different versions of Excel, the tab names and locations are consistent, so you should find the same checkbox in the View tab. If you work with long or complex formulas, keeping the formula bar visible can save time because you'll have more room to review and edit. That's all there is to it. Open the View tab, uncheck formula bar to hide it, and check it again to show it. With this simple toggle, you can customize your workspace in seconds.